WinMill Software presents Advanced Reporting, Building an Ad Hoc Report with Jaspersoft. In CAPPM version 14.2, CA introduced a new reporting tool called Jaspersoft. In this video, we will demonstrate how to build a sample ad hoc report using Jaspersoft. To use this new tool, navigate to the Home menu and select Advanced Reporting. Here, the Jaspersoft screen will be displayed. The report we're going to build today will display timesheet information by resource. To build a report in Jaspersoft, you must first build an ad hoc view. To do this, we navigate to the Create menu and select Ad Hoc Views. From the Data Chooser, we select Domains, CAPPM, Domains. Here, a list of all the available domains that come with the out-of-the-box CAPPM installation are displayed. The domain we're interested in is Time Management, so we'll select Time Management and select Choose Data. Expand the Time Management domain. First, we'll display the resource name. From the timesheet entries, we'll select the investment name, the task name, the date worked, and the hours worked. For this report, we want to display this data in a table format, so we'll select Table from the available buttons. Here, the Ad Hoc View Editor will be displayed. To add fields to your view, simply double-click the field in the Fields Explorer. So add resource name, double-click on investment name. You'll notice that as fields are added, the view is refreshed. Because of this, when building an ad hoc view, sample data is returned. This can be changed to show full data, but performance may be impacted. So I'll go ahead and add the rest of my fields. Double click on task name, date worked, and my measure is time entry hours. You can add a grouping to the report by simply dragging the field from columns to groups. You can also add filters to the report by right-clicking on the field and selecting Create Filter. Here we'll add a date range filter. So we change the qualifier to is between and enter our dates. Once our fields are populated, you select Apply, and the filter should be applied to the report. I'm going to add an additional filter for resource name. And I'll select a resource to filter by, and select Apply. Finally, we'll add a title to our view. When you have your view configured the way you'd like, you navigate to the Save menu and click Save Ad Hoc View. Give the view a name. And select the folder to save it in. For this demo, we'll put this view in the CAPPM Ad Hoc Views folder. And click Save. When the save is complete, you'll get a confirmation message at the top of the screen that says the save was successful. If you navigate to the repository, your view is now available in the repository. Now that we have a view, we can create our report. So navigate to the Create menu and select Report. When you create a report, it's going to ask you for a data source. We will select the ad hoc view that we just created and click OK. The report editor is open. In the report editor, you can modify the display of the report. So if you'd like to change the appearance of the report, you would do that here. So we can do things like expanding columns, you can change sorting by clicking on the attributes and selecting the sort option. You can change the formatting by clicking on the attribute and selecting formatting. For this example, we'll change the date format. So you select detail rows, and we'll change our date to display as month, month, day, day, year, 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 year. And select OK. You can also do conditional formatting. So for example, if we want to highlight non-billable admin time, you select the field, click on formatting, select conditional formatting, click add, enter your display condition. For this example, we'll highlight the non-billable admin time in yellow. You can also change your filtering here by navigating to the options menu, and you'll be prompted to change your parameters. So if we'd like to look at somebody else's time, populate your filter and select OK. When you have the report formatted to your liking, navigate to the Save menu and click Save. A name will default to the view you used plus the word report, and we would like to save this in the CAPPM reports folder and click Save. A confirmation message will be displayed when the save is complete. Now our report should be available in our repository. So if we navigate to the View menu and click Repository, and navigate to our CAPPM reports folder, you'll see our report is available to run. Here you can see the report displayed. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please contact WinMill Software.